Hey, YouTube buddies, we're about to show how to replace a spring when it breaks, because if it breaks, you gotta replace it. This here is a 250x30 spring. Not sure if you can see the number, but it's 250x30.
No sé si pueden ver aquí la numeración, pero es 50 por 30.
If your spring breaks, we suggest you call a company to get it fixed. Sometimes you try to fix the spring and it's tough. If you don't know how, it's best to just call the pros to avoid a mess. This client's spring broke. He called Express Garage Door Services to replace it. We'll put the link and our number below so you can get in touch. Won't cost you too much. Getting this fixed cost him $60. That's what you pay for a spring replacement, $60 plus the part. So reach out to Express Garage Door Services. We got specials on replacements. Remember, if your spring breaks, call a pro to do it. You can get really hurt and end up in hospital. It's better to call a company that knows their springs. Saves you a lot of hassle.
Hasta el hospital.
Getting this fixed cost him $60. That's what you pay for a spring replacement, $60 plus the part.